We're gonna go in sport mode. Woo! Woo! Look at that, going upwind. Wow. It is extreme. Look at that. Woo! Going upwind. Yeah! Yeah, Tello! Tello, what's up? And you go downwind. It's gonna be triple the speed. Woo! Look at that, guys. Look, I don't even need a transmitter or a controller. I'm using my phone. Look at that. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Woo! It's going upwind. Sorry guys, it's bright out here. I can't even see. Look at this. It hover like a GPS. Woo! Look at that, $100. Damn! Woo! This guy is quick. Now it's going upwind. Woo! Wow! So right now you can see is the gust is getting strong, and you can just sit on the kite here. And look at this guy. Uh-oh! It's going downwind. It's going downwind. It's gonna be fast, probably like 50 miles an hour here. Woo! Yeah, Tello! Look at Tello going upwind. Woo! Alright guys, now you guys can see. Here you go again. It's gonna go downwind. It's gonna go downwind. It's gonna drift. Woo! I'm just having fun with this guy here. So right now, this extreme wind, look at this guy. I'm already, how many feet I'm going? Wow, I'm going almost 10 meters high. Look at that, it's like a GPS. If you guys see this right now, what are you guys thinking? I'm recording and I have that guy over there. Look how windy it is. Wow, it's like a GPS. Now of course, if you put it here by the current, it's gonna move like I'm showing you guys. So it's gonna move. It's gonna move by the current. But if you have it over here, it just stays. Woo! Amazing, man. This is amazing. Now I'm going. Woo! Alright, we're gonna see how fast it's showing. Wow! Woo! It's quick. And go from here.
Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, like, and share.